Hello, now they welcome for Football and Pidgin. After match, talk about how you see them. Chelsea 2 and Leicester City 1. And we get Oga Rupert, will be a bonga Chelsea fan, make on tell us about how you see this game. Oga Rupert, now how you see the game?
The game, man, na one of our best games we don play this season. Because if you watch all our games this season, mostly that Leeds game, it touched me well. So for us to win with red card, I really appreciate the boys what they do today.
You talk something say for Chelsea to win with red card. We don't see say sometimes when some teams get red card like this for football, their morale will just die. But how do you get to talk about this Chelsea players' mentality, the way they approach this game after they get the red card?
The red card, na one of our best games because that red card destabilize our game plan from the start. And if you know most of those Chelsea fans that they follow the talk, you go see say, I dey always talk and say most of our players, mostly all the this guy will get red card, so Gallagher. All those guys, they all fast track them into the first team. They never get the experience reach from me to they say, okay, this guy is the fit play well. Because he mistake so he get the red card within 30 minutes of about 30 seconds of the first yellow card. So to me now, see the mentality where they show, the fighting spirit they show to see win for this red card. They really try for that this thing they do. So we need to just give them some round of applause for that thing they do.
No be lie, we go tear up for them like Robo people talk. So but make I ask you about that red card now. You think say na pure red card or no be pure red card?
Na pure red card because the first mistake just start from leaving player with the yellow card as last man for backline for corner. That one sef na mistake already on im own. So that one, anybody wey say not be red card, the person no the watch ball. Pure red card from the start. So I would before they give the card, I don't say this is a red card already.
So how you see Raheem Sterling performance? Make I ask you about Raheem Sterling. Because when Chelsea sign him, some Chelsea fans say, no be good signing, but the ones we thought saying are good signings, saying go improve Chelsea attack, now plenty parts. But waiting you now get to talk about Raheem Sterling performance for this match.
I be one of those people wey say na good signing, but my own problem is say that time when they sign, I say for it to sign Sterling, then we need creative players join that Sterling when they sign. He perform as the past two games, he dey eye catching normally, but not be say he don improve us massively. But this today match now, he perform well, even though he missed that big chance when he supposed to make it score a hat-trick. But as they make this statement, for us to unlock Sterling well, we need better 10 for that position, not be the way Mount they play. Mount, if he can come back when they play 8 normally, but we need 10. Person will go the if you watch out for Man City, all the KDB they will they give out those passes. But now he calls guys to work all those things by himself now for Chelsea. But I really dey happy say person there where they see they finish all those James crosses. Got that back post position when he take now, none of our attackers they take am. But today now, he take that position and now he score goal from Region Cross. So I really dey happy with that he signing well.
So now which player be your man of the match?
My man of the match, he go there between Sterling and Mendy.
So between Sterling and Mendy, but okay, now we don't put you for the spot. Now pick one.
I will give her to Mendy because he saved us for some position during this period where Leicester won't kill us with different crosses. Try. So I will give Mendy the man of the match to me.
So if you want to rate Chelsea performance now, you say to you, Mendy, man of your match. If you want to rate Chelsea performance now from 1 to 10, now how you go rate Chelsea performance, overall performance for this game?
I'll give a strong 8. Because we try. 8 over 10. Not easy to play with one man down. Even after the match, to make sure we would do more than one man down. So 8 over 10, na fair performance with that one.
All right, now we don't hear about the move from the move for Wesley Fofana from Leicester City to Chelsea. Fabrizio Romano don't talk. Many different sources don't talk. Say that one don't clear. The move don't true. £75 million move from Leicester City to Chelsea. Now how you see that move?
The move na fine move too now because even the guy sef he ready to play for Chelsea. Only don't do the analysis for Twitter before they go and answer. So na fine move. We don't say we need another defender, but to me now we need another midfielder. We go feel he go take recover siege, and we still need attacker, mostly 10 and winger. So if they make all those signings now before window finish, na 10-10 for our window too for me. So those signs definitely make good sign. But Fofana na good player, we go improve our defense too.
Okay.
Because Shaloba na heart attack on the own as the washer. You go dey fear me, no go cause red card or me no go cause PK. So Fofana they improve our defense too massively. But we still need to make some other sign for this window to be 10 over 10 for us.
So like how many signings now you they expect before the transfer window go end? Because now just 5 days now remain. How many signings you they expect?
They promised 2 years, 6 signings, and so far so 4 abi 5. So we see they expect like at least, I see they expect 2 or 3 signings. So most see how the window go before the window go end.
All right now, Rupert, thank you for your time. Your face show and your shoe shine.